I'm in a 2007 Jeep Liberty, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first, you'll open the hood, and then there's two areas here. Here's the cap to the radiator. You typically never need to add directly here unless it got really low for some reason, but you could go through there, and then this is the main reservoir you check where you add fluid to. In this system, you want to do it while the vehicle's turned off and it's cool down, just because the system works under pressure and it can get the liquid to a boil. So you don't want to risk having a poisonous liquid shoot out all over you. But that said, to add, I would double check you've got the right coolant for your make and model. Like, you can match the color to what's in here. Check a good online source is needed. But on the side, there's a max and a minimum. So you don't want it filled all the way to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. But to fill, you just pop this top off, and either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed to get around your max line. And then pop that closed to tight again when you're done. And then this radiator, if you have to get into that cap, you'll just push it down. So you'll push it down slightly and twist about twice, and then it'll pop right out. And you'd see coolant right there, right on the top when you open it. And at this point, I would check around really well for any cracks or leaks through the radiator, the reservoir, any of the lines, anything you can see around the engine bay. You can test some of this by turning the vehicle on, and since the system works under pressure, you might see some coolant start to puddle around the engine bay or under the vehicle. The way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is coolant has a slight coloration to it. It have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.